Welcome back, coin collectors and enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the 1972 USA 1-cent coin. This humble penny, struck over 5 decades ago, has become a treasure trove for collectors, with some rare varieties fetching significant sums, potentially even reaching into the millions under the right conditions. In this video, we'll explore the rich history, intricate design, and the incredible market value of the 1972 Lincoln penny. Historical background: the 1972 Lincoln cent was minted during a pivotal era in American history. The early 1970s were a time of political and social change, with events like the Vietnam War, the Watergate scandal, and the ongoing civil rights movement shaping the nation's identity. The mint mark on the 1972 penny indicates that it was produced at the San Francisco Mint, known for its high-quality proof coins. The San Francisco Mint struck both proof and circulation strikes in 1972, though the 1972 cent is most commonly found as a proof coin. Design and features: the 1972 penny features the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, designed by Victor David Brenner. First introduced in 1909 to commemorate Lincoln's 100th birthday, Brenner's design has become a staple of American coinage. Obverse: the obverse features Lincoln's right-facing profile with the inscriptions "In God We Trust" above his head, "Liberty" to his left, and the date 1972 along with the mint mark to his right. Reverse: the reverse, designed by Frank Gasparo, showcases the Lincoln Memorial, introduced in 1959 to replace the wheat ears design. Above the memorial are the words "United States of America," while the motto "E Pluribus Unum" is inscribed just above the memorial. At the bottom, the denomination 1 cent is prominently displayed. The 1972 cent was struck in a composition of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, giving it the classic reddish-brown appearance. Varieties and errors: the 1972 penny is most famous for its proof versions, but collectors prize it for specific varieties and errors. 1. Double die obverse DDO. While the 1972 Philadelphia cent is renowned for its dramatic DDO, some minor double dies have been reported for the 1972 as well. These coins show slight doubling on inscriptions like "In God We Trust" and "Liberty." 2. Cameo and deep cameo proofs. Proof coins from San Francisco often display frosted devices and mirror-like fields. Coins with strong contrast between the frosted design elements and the shiny background are labeled cameo or deep cameo, significantly increasing their value. 3. Striking errors. Coins with off-center strikes, die cracks, or planchet errors can also command premium prices, especially when they occur on proof coins. Market value and worth. So, how much is the 1972 penny worth? The answer varies depending on the coin's condition and rarity. Circulated coins. While most 1972 pennies are proof coins, circulated examples can be found. These typically sell for around 10 cents to $1.00. Proof coins. Standard proof examples in PR65 condition generally sell for $3 to $5. However, cameo and deep cameo proofs can fetch $10 to $1.50. High-grade proofs. A flawless proof graded PR70 deep cameo by PCGS or NGC can reach values of $1,000 or more. Rare varieties. While no major DDO varieties are confirmed for the 1972 minor double dies or error coins can sell for hundreds of dollars depending on their prominence and condition. Million-dollar sales. Although the 1972 penny has yet to break the million-dollar mark, the coin collecting market is unpredictable. Coins with unique errors or provenance have reached astronomical prices in the past. A hypothetical 1972 penny with a dramatic unreported error or historical significance could potentially achieve a 7-figure price tag at auction. Recent auction sales. To give you an idea of the market's potential, here are some notable auction results for the 1972 penny. 1. PR70 Deep Cameo NGC in 2021, a perfect PR70 Deep Cameo 1972 penny sold for $1,500 at auction due to its flawless surface and deep contrast. 2. Cameo proof error. A 1972 cameo proof with a striking error sold for $800 in 2020, highlighting the premium collectors are willing to pay for unique examples. 3. Minor double die. In 2019, a minor DDO variety in PR68 Deep Cameo fetched $600 at a major auction, emphasizing the demand for error coins. Tips for collectors. If you're interested in adding a 1972 S penny to your collection, here are some tips. 1. Look for deep cameos. These coins, with their frosted designs and mirrored fields, are highly sought after. 2. Check for errors. Examine coins for any doubling, die cracks, or planchet issues that could increase their value. 3. Consider grading. Having your coin professionally graded by PCGS or NGC can authenticate its condition and boost its market value. 4. Proper storage. Store your coins in acid-free holders or slabs to prevent tarnishing and maintain their condition. The 1972 USA 1-cent coin is a fascinating piece of American numismatic history. While most examples are affordable, certain varieties and pristine proofs can fetch impressive sums. And who knows? You might stumble upon a rare error or high-grade example that could be worth thousands or even millions in the future. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1972 S penny, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more numismatic content. Let us know in the comments if you have a 1972 S penny in your collection or if there's another coin you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy collecting.